Okay, so let us begin with the practical of DSPA, in which we have to use the Code Composer Studio and perform the addition, subtraction, and multiplication programs. Okay, today we will be studying the addition program. You have to carefully see the sequence of steps that are going to be followed during this program, because it is little bit lengthy, and you will have to concentrate on the procedure part. Once it is you are acquainted, you can easily do it. Okay, so it's we are going to do it in the Code Composer Studio software. So you can see the icons on this desktop. One is CC Studio 3.1 and setup. So you have to click first on the setup of CC Studio, and then first we will see that यहाँ पे एक selected है प्रोसेसर, लेकिन अभी हम लोग उसको रिमूव कर देंगे. वी विल शो यू फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग हाउ टू डू इट. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट सिलेक्ट दिस particular family of the DSP processor. So we will see select C54XX, and in that we have to go for C54 simulator is to be selected, or 5416 we have to select as a device simulator. We are doing it everything in the simulator. So you can see here this 5416 device simulator is been added. Okay, so we will say save and quit, and now it is asking whether to start the Code Composer Studio. So yes, so now it will start the Code Composer Studio software. So now first we have to go on project, new, look at the location to be saved. My projects में हम लोग जो भी project का नाम देंगे यहाँ, and we will save it. So what name we are giving? Give some name to the project. Addition. So addition dot pjt. Pjt is the extension of project is created. New project has been created. Now we have to add 3 types of files to this. One is the source file.
Create a source file.
Yes, but first we have to create a source file. So we'll go on new source file, and there is already written program, so which can be copied right now. You can write your own program also. So you can see this program, and we want addition, so add as a mnemonic, and you can see this program as there is one operand, the immediate operand 10, another operand as 01. So our expected addition is 11 hex. Okay, so this source file has been created now. Now we have to first save this source file in the particular folder. So that path you have to see carefully, and in also it is given in the procedures also. So CC Studio 3.1 my projects में addition folder में ये addition dot asm is the add dot asm ऐसा नाम दिया है हमने. We can give the same name also, and then we'll say save. So this way we have created a source file. Now this source file is to be added. So add files to the project we will say, and from that whatever path we had chosen, इसमें से हम लोग वो add dot asm we will add to our project. So you have to see that correct extension is chosen, dot a, and add dot asm open. So this will be added as a asm file. Now the library file is to be added. So again look at the source carefully. Add files to project, and it is CC Studio C5400 folder में DSP lib. So in this folder you can see here 54 x dspf. This is the library file which is to be added. So you can see here it has been added in the libraries. Now the last file, which is linker file are to be added. Add files to the project. Look at the path carefully. CCC Studio, tutorial, sim54xx and hello1 में hello.cmd. So फिर से एक्सटेंशन हमको चूज़ करना पड़ेगा. hello.cmd is the file we have chosen and we have added. So all the 3 files needed have been added to the project. Now the next step is to build a project. Compile first. Yes, compile. So say compile and see that there are no errors. Okay. So 0 errors, 0 warning. So now we can build the project. Go to build. And this way
The out file is generated.
Okay, so now the out file which is generated, we will see that. Go to file, then load program. In addition, there is debug folder which is automatically created, and addition.out. Yes, addition.out has been selected, and we'll say what? Load. So then we'll say run. Run this program. So once the program is run,
See the result.
where to see the results? So we'll go to view, and in view we will see either memory or registers. So registers में पहले देख लेते हैं. registers में CPU registers में our result is in the accumulator. तो यहाँ पे तुम लोग देख सकते हो. देखो accumulator में वही expected result था हमारा 11 in hex. 11. हाँ, तो 11 is the accumulator we have found. और मेमोरी में अगर देखना हो तो गो टू व्यू, देन गो टू मेमोरी, और यहाँ पे हमको जो रिज़ल्ट है हमारा कौन से मेमोरी लोकेशन में, हाँ ये 0011 में 0004 में अपना रिज़ल्ट अवेलेबल है. सो दैट्स इट.